out today. That was fire, Aiden.
Thanks, Aiden.
Nice work, Aiden.
Righteous!
How'd you do it, Aiden?
I learned it from A+.
Through July, A+ Garage Doors will donate $100 from every new door purchase to Make-A-Wish.
Aiden, you are a big star right there. A+ Garage Doors supporting Make-A-Wish Utah. They are donating, as you just heard, $100 to the life-changing organization for every garage door purchased. A+ encourages all Utah trades businesses to also get involved. So joining me now in the sponsored Pros for Utah segment is the CEO and founder, Carrie, alongside our local boy and star, Aiden. Hey, Aiden, give me 5. Yeah, what do you think about that commercial?
It looks good.
You look pretty good, and you're getting all of the bad people off the streets, thank goodness. You're a superhero. All right, let's start with you, Carrie. Why partner, and what moved you to do this partnership and help people like Aiden?
Well, I feel like business is great. It takes care of a lot of people. But when you have a cause, your employees get involved and your customers get involved and everybody just gets that feel-good feeling. And they love being part of something where you're giving back to the community. And what a special thing to do than help the children of Utah.
I love that.
And take care of those that have gone through so much, like Aiden.
Let's talk about Aiden for a moment. Aiden, what is your condition, and what is it like to have all that support in your community?
So it was called synovial sarcoma, so it was like a tissue lump. But they had, it was close to the bone, but they caught it in time, so it didn't get bone, so that was good, but.
Well, your mom and dad were here and talking about, thank goodness it was found early, but still a really serious condition. Tell me what your wish is.
It's the Bahamas. There's this place called Atlantis. I found it on YouTube. So.
Oh, I think Disney may have a connection with Atlanta, so we'll see what we can do. But your wish has not been granted yet. So we are crossing our fingers. We're hoping the community will also partner with A+ Garage to make this happen. And Carrie, your thoughts about being able to grant wishes for people like Aiden, and we need to make this dream come true.
Absolutely. And so that's why we're donating we already started in the month of June, so the month of June and July, $100 for every door. So we're very excited to be able to get this going and just like, come on, we just want to grant that wish. I mean, if you're thinking about buying a door, now is an excellent time to give back and get the door.
There's a lot of incentive, and I see a lot of doors, garage doors, that need a lot of help. So why not do it now? And Carrie, I think what you all do, and especially being founded by a woman, and I know your story and the challenges, and to be able to give back the way you are is also so heartfelt, and it means a lot when you give and you also use the services from you.
Yeah, it really is. My team has been loving it. Like, they are so proud that they're going out and representing a company that gives back. And so we're doing a call to all home service companies in Utah. It's like, join us. Join us. We've created Trades for Wishes. This is not an A+ Garage Doors thing. This is a Make-A-Wish Foundation has joined with the trades in Utah. I mean, if you're part of the home service trades, we are calling you. Please come join us. It's so easy. We have a flyer that we can put up to show you exactly how you get involved, and your company will love it. Your employees will love it. Your customers will love it. It's such a fun cause.
I think you've created a movement right here, right now, Carrie. And Aiden, real quick, to tell folks out there that you are just a kid in middle school, living your life, but you need help. And there are a lot of other kids who are in your situation, huh? What would you tell them? What would you say to help you out and help all the other kids who are wishing too? Yeah?
Believe in yourself and just beat it.
You can beat it.
Yeah.
And I hear you're going to be at the Bees game July 25th.
Yes.
Are you excited? You're going to throw the first pitch?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. So support Aiden and all the other kids with Make-A-Wish and grant their wish come true. Carrie, thank you so much. That information on your screen right now, the phone number, and also Make-A-Wish, aplusdoor.com. A big thank you to Carrie and Aiden for joining us in the sponsored segment and Pros for Utah. Give me 5. You're beating it. And you're getting to the Bahamas and Atlantis.
so.
Yes, you are, right?
Yes. We're not giving up.
Yes, not giving up. Still